There's something undeniably captivating about a woman who rocks a creative haircut. It's bold, it's fearless, and it speaks volumes without saying a word. A creative haircut can transform the ordinary into the extraordinary, adding a spark of individuality that's impossible to ignore. Whether it's a sharp bob, an edgy pixie, or a vibrant color that turns heads, these styles exude a confidence that's utterly sexy. But let's talk about where that magic really comes from. It's not just the haircut, it's the confidence behind it. It's about owning your look, stepping out into the world and saying, "This is me. This is who I am." That's the beauty of creative expression. It allows us to step beyond the boundaries of convention and embrace our own unique style. We each have our own creative confidence. It's how we dress, it's how we move, it's how we present ourselves to the world. Sometimes it takes a little courage to tap into that confidence. Maybe you've been told to stick to the safe choices, to blend in, or to avoid standing out. But the truth is, when you embrace how you want to look, when you let your creativity shine, you inspire others to do the same. Think about the moments when you felt most like yourself. Was it when you tried something new? When you added that daring streak of color to your hair? Or maybe it was when you finally cut your hair the way you've always wanted. Those moments are transformative because they reflect what's inside of you, your boldness, your uniqueness, and your undeniable beauty. And remember, sexy isn't always about fitting into someone else's idea of beauty. It's about confidence. It's about the way you carry yourself, the way you own your choices, and the way you unapologetically embrace who you are. A creative haircut is just one way to express that. It's a statement of empowerment, a celebration of individuality, and an invitation to the world to see the real you. So the next time you're contemplating that daring cut or that bold color, take a moment to listen to yourself. Let go of any hesitation, because the most powerful, magnetic thing you can do is show up as your authentic self. That's where true beauty lies, in the courage to express who you are, in the confidence to own your creativity, and in the celebration of your uniqueness. Remember, your hair, your style, your choice. Embrace it, own it, and love it, because you are the definition of sexy. I'm using some products like my locked hairspray, and then for this look, I'm using my crafted matte pomade to give it a more sleek type of look. This product works remarkably well on male or female, doesn't matter, it's a unisex product. And you can see how when I work the product through the hair, it's taming the hair. It's actually giving it that lived-in look, which really works well for getting rid of frizz, for smoothing out the hair, for polishing the hair, and really getting things in place. This is a remarkable hairstyling product that is unisex. Anyone can use this. And you can see it's working wonders on this mannequin, even if the hair is a bit longer. Owning your creativity really says something about you and sets you apart. It's all about feeling who you want to be. Be yourself, because everyone else is already taken. I learned that years ago when I had a mentor, and I stopped worrying about being like everyone else and finally started embracing being myself. And that's what I'm expressing in my videos and in my content. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.